Alright, people, my two people them there. Don't give me a link. One Shawn Solomon and his beautiful wife, DJ Karen.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so what have to say to Miss Ellis?
Well, Miss Ellis, I'm really so sorry, you know, for the ruction you that go on there. And I really thank you so much. I love you so much, and I feel, thank God that, you know, take me from a danger and guide me and thing. And I want to say, I love my beautiful wife, and me I learn, you know, the trade, yes.
Give your wife a kiss, man. Yes, man, these are two loving people.
Yeah,
so,
man.
the new boss is in town. Well, the old boss in town, meaning I'm going to be the manager now.
Yes, yeah.
Because we can't take a phone shit. So I get to know back in line and straighten up. So what the new manager, sir?
Shami.
Who's the new manager, DJ?
Shami.
Huh?
Shami.
So you don't want me to be a manager?
Yeah,
so you're going like. So I'm going to change your phone number now. I'm going to change your phone number.
Yeah.
So everybody have to come through me to get the phone, to contact you.
And big up Tiki Tail people.
Yes, man. Big up your Tiki Tail boss.
She name is Cam. Yeah, big up yourself, Miss
Wonderful
Cam.
lady.
And we are going to get a new number, Miss Cam. When we come and work tomorrow. But if rain fall, we can't come in the rain. I mean, no, Miss Cam.
You got to work, man. I'm sure you got to work. But what's going to happen is that we're going to change the number. All of them people there who have the number and are perplexed and are talk about other things. We are going to change up everything. So, 2 new number. But you want to contact them, you have to go through me.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Or Miss Ellis. And Miss Ellis still going to send them back to me to get the new number. So, it no matter. They are on a new tangent now. The little lula thing, now going to work no more. So, everything straighten up. Karen says she change. Karen not going to be a good wife. Not going to deal with